Winds are gusty, 41-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Worcester, better than right at 40 in Plymouth, and approaching 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts in many other areas. And those wind gusts will be featured right through the balance of the day into the first half of tonight. Once we get toward about midnight, the wind should drop off. Skies will turn basically clear, and we're in for a much less windy day for tomorrow. Check out the snow showers. These are lake effect snow showers in through parts of New York, and they're working their way all the way out toward the capital area of New York and into the Berkshires, where we're getting some snow out that way. They bump up against the Berkshires, and then those mountains kind of ring out the air. Notice there's nothing happening to the lee of the Berkshires out toward the Quabbin. We may get one or two snow flurries or snowflakes out through the Worcester Hills, but most of this stays out west. Speaking of out west, this is where our next system arrives from, and it is snowing through Nebraska, Kansas, into Missouri right now, and that's a piece at least of our next system arriving for Tuesday. So it's windy and colder today, some sunshine, 42 to 49 degrees, right about where we are now. Temps start coming down after sunset tonight pretty quickly, I might add. 43 for a high in Worcester, 48 or so in Hyannis. Again, pretty much where we are right now. 18 in the coldest suburbs to 26 in town tonight. Mostly clear, colder. Gusty winds diminish after midnight. And tomorrow 30s, that's it, but less wind under partial sunshine. Now, the recipe is there for that cold air to build in for tomorrow. That's why we're in the 30s. And just in time, another system arrives to our south. It'll have some warm air with it, but it'll be fighting that cold air at the surface. It'll be a little difficult to get rid of that cold air near the ground. And so as the air aloft warms up, this introduces a really complicated part of the forecast. Is when those precipitation particles fall, what are they going to be on their way down? Do they refreeze and then hit as sleet? After they melt aloft, do they refreeze on contact down near the ground? That would be icing. I think we've got a little bit of everything coming our way, honestly. Here we go, 5 o'clock in the morning Tuesday. It's snowing and sleeting and some ice out through the Connecticut Valley, Connecticut River Valley, that is, and down through Hartford. As we step through the morning hours toward 10 o'clock, snow to the north, along the Pike, a mix. Could be icing in many areas, rain down to the south. This will persist right through the afternoon, could impact your evening drive home as well as it starts to wind down. 2 to 4 inches of snow with some sleet is likely around the Boston area. A little bit more in the way of snow to the north with sleet and ice mixing in, lesser amounts down to the south, and that will be tweaked many a time over the next couple of days leading into the event because, again, the amount of sleet versus the amount of snow is really going to wreak havoc with how much exactly falls on the ground. Needless to say, it's an impact weather day on Tuesday. Wednesday, snow squalls are possible in the afternoon. That'll be followed by some wicked cold on Thursday with highs only in the mid-20s. That's my latest forecast. I'm meteorologist A.J. Burnett.